We were here today to train the youths. We are training them for free. So we've been going around the counties, we are training them for free, and we are giving them skills to empower them so that they can go out there. We create employment by, once they have skills, they can employ themselves. This time round we started with those who already have a clue what they are supposed to do in terms of CCTV and security gadgets. So we started with those who are already in the field because it was easier to reach them out. But we normally train even those who are very green, those who do not have any idea. But today we were teaching those who are already have an idea. We were adding them skills. We were at Narok County on Tuesday, and we did approximately, there were 44. We went to Migori. At Migori we got 25. In Homa Bay we did 30, and now we are in Kericho and we've done 37. So the training is very free. We do not require any payment from the youth. So we only need support from maybe the county government to get places to teach them, so that we do not have to hire very expensive halls when training. We also offer them opportunities directly. Sometimes, for example, we have a client who wants to buy and then they are installed. So if we have youth who already we have trained, we give them the first priority because we know they will give a good service. We also offer certificates. So when they are trained, we give them certificates for free so that it can help them to acquire jobs out there. They can be different from those who have not been trained. So they have an advantage.
Today we were here to offer some technical training to the technicians, the youth. So what we were doing, we were trying to cover as many technicians as possible so that we empower them with knowledge to do the right thing. So basically, so many people think CCTV installation is just an easy thing. But you see, the technology is advancing. We have different types of cameras. We want them to understand which camera to use in what application scenario, as well as also people are used to knowing Hikvision is for CCTV, but we deal with so many other products. So those are the gaps that so many people don't know. We are trying to enlighten them, and they should take opportunity of that.
Tumepata kujua new technologies as CCTV cameras, not only CCTV but access points, alarms, all those. Na pia tumepata some rewards na tumepata some connection for kama kufanya installation, unaweza jifanyia mwenye, kufungua job opportunities kazi vijana tunaweza kufanya huko tu baada ya CCTV installation na miatu.